Have you tried using Instagram Reels for your tourism business? Instagram Reels have an average engagement rate of 1.95%. That's twice as much as any other post type. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to create an eye-catching Instagram Reel and a strategy for Instagram success for your tourism business. So let's get started. Reels are the best way to gain new followers on Instagram because they have a long time span of up to 6 weeks. This means they can still pop up on users' feeds 6 weeks after posting them, as opposed to regular posts that only appear for up to 72 hours. Instagram Reels are fun, short-form videos where you can share entertaining, educational, and inspiring content to get discovered by people who love your business. It's best to post 3 to 4 Reels per week. There are 3 things you need to keep in mind to create a successful Reel. Start your Reel with a hook, which is a short sentence that catches people's attention and increases views. Add transitions, and keep it short and sweet. Keep your Reels 30 seconds and under if possible. Watch time is extremely important on Instagram, so if people are watching your Reel until the end, Instagram will reward you by showing that Reel to more people. Let's create a Reel from scratch. Tap on the plus button at the top of your profile and tap on Reel to access all the Reels features. If you want to change the view of the camera, simply use these 2 arrows. You can have the camera facing you or facing what's in front of you. You can choose for your Reel to be between 15 and 90 seconds. Instagram will cut you off at the time selected, so choose carefully. To pick the length, click here and select the time. Now skip down to the timer. The timer gives you the option of 3 and 10 seconds to get started before your Reel starts automatically recording. This allows you to get in position before the camera starts rolling. Pick how many seconds you need and hit timer. There you go. Now let's have a look at the main features within Reels to the left of your screen. Here you can select from the trending Instagram sounds, meaning the ones that are increasing in popularity and are likely to boost your Reels. Pick a song that you like and that fits your Reel, and select the part that you want to use. The next feature is effects. They can add a fun dimension to your Reels. Try the effect icon. This is a nature filter, so will work perfectly for the example here. You can add filters, blur out your background, and more. Effects are great for themed holidays. For example, you can use snow for Christmas and Halloween for a spooky filter. Now tap and hold on the white button to record. Hi, I'm Catherine. Come and join me for a morning hike. To edit or trim your Reel, click on Next and click on Edit Clips. Trimming your clips will make your Reel more seamless. To trim, tap here and drag the lines from left to right or right to left to shorten your clip. You can also add the text here to go with your Reel. Click on the 2 A's and add a short message. A beautiful hike awaits. You can make the text bold by tapping on the sparkling A's here, or change its colour to match your brand. Now click Next. To finish off, add your caption that best describes your Reel. Add a caption, morning hike up Mountain Errigal in County Donegal. Adjust your cover if you need by tapping on cover and selecting the frame you like, just like this. Now make sure Share to Feed is turned on so more people can see your Reel. Add topics that best describe your Reel so the right people will see it. In this case, let's select these 3 topics here. Add your location so potential customers can find you if they're searching for your area. To do this, tap on Locations and search for the one you need. Tap to select it. And finally, allow your Reel to be recommended on Facebook to reach more people in a different platform. Now you've created your Reel so you can publish it live by clicking share. And there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how you can add transitions to your Instagram Reels to grab attention, plus the best ways to find trending music. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at VoltaIreland.ie.